Thank you, VDM. Thank you, very dark man. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you million times. Very dark man, Oshio. Very dark man, Oshio. Àwọn èèyàn wò pé kí ni mò ń kí very dark man fún. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ wo fídíò ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan náà kó tó di pé mo wá sọ ohun tí mo fẹ́ sọ. Ojú ń gbà mí tì fún ìlú tó ń pè ní Nàìjíríà àti àwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣe òṣèlú lé wa lórí. Torí ojúṣe ìjọba, èèyàn kan tí ó ṣiṣẹ́ ìjọba kò lówó ìjọba lọ́wọ́, ó dẹ̀ sọ pé òun fẹ́ máa ṣe. A dẹ̀ rò pé normal thing ni. Ó ga o. Ó ga o. Ó ga o. Very dark man, once again, thank you so much.
This is the factory, pure water factory of the man that threatened to kill that student, you know. And this is where you are making water for people, where you get the audacity to talk, say, if you buy the young girl, say you go use 500,000, take end everything. Anyways, we'll report this one to NAFDAC. Just get all these small, all these debts. Don't go, come. I don't know if NAFDAC approved this place. Where did they make pure water? All this place. Careful. See where they still store water for a place where be like toilet. See? Come. Move back here. See? Focus here. Come. See? This is the bath. Yeah. Okay.
What's that for? I had promised.
I meet you. Why not? Go ahead. Good day. Hi.
When I moved in here the first time, the socket was bad. So it was like, okay, I now told him that, sir, this thing is bad. He said, you are going to fix it. He did not fix it. He said I could charge at his place for the main time. I was like, okay, no problem. That was the only thing that took me to that. So the first time I went there to charge, he tried to like engage me in a conversation. I did not want to be rude. So after like 2 minutes, I told him, sir, please, I have a class. I want to go to school. So I left. Afterwards, at night, he's going to text me by 11 p.m. that, what are you doing? Sometimes he comes and knock on my door. That, what are you doing? Come, let's chill. I was not like,
where's his wife when he tells you to come and chill?
That time, the person that gave birth for him now was not there. I think he was staying alone. He now said that I should come and cook for him. So one day I went for a competition at Trinidad. When I got back, when I just came back, he was just ranting that his Nepal. I was not like, no verse, I did not know. I'm not on the platform. He did not see anything, so I don't know the date to pay Nepal. He was not shouting. I was not like, can I give you cash? He said yes. I gave him cash, and I walked out. Since then, if I greet him, he did not answer my greeting. I stopped greeting him. Like that, we were talking. He started pushing me. Before you know it, tower, he slapped me. It's not like That's the third time. That's the third time he's raising his hands on me. Because the other one he did this, my friend and my lecturer came. When my lecturer came, they now preached that peace. That was the day of my performance. I could not even sing well in school. Like everything I react, everything I could not sing well. I was crying all through backstage. They said, my mommy said, you know how something starts, you don't know how to end. Just live in peace. It's the live in peace that I'm doing now that still came for me yesterday again. When he hit me, I was like, we started dragging it. He carried plants there. Wanted to use it on me. We were dragging the plant. Then I used it on him. Then he now started shouting. My girlfriend came back from work because she has been staying with me. I've been sick for some time. So everybody there, they were shouting. They could not come inside because my gate is jam locked. So when they were shouting, somebody even had to like fly the fence and come inside. People gathered here. Nobody could come inside. So when 2 of my church members, they finished their cars there. So when they now heard that, and I messy, they shout. Then they now rushed and came. And I went to open the gate. When I opened the gate, those my church members, they wanted to rush him and beat him. He now ran inside, came out, broke bottles and started shouting that this is his house, nobody that is going to do anything he likes. The other video that he sent that he said he was going to kill me was the one that I made in the midnight after I came back from the police station where I went to write my statement. So that was what happened last night.
You have written your statement?
Yes, I went, yes.
Which station?
Igondo police station.
Oh, it's not far?
Yes, it's not.
Okay, right? So only one reason brought me here. You know, the way this country is going, people do anything they like. Now, it took me over 1 hour to come here, just for one reason. It looked like a small thing. But when you keep quiet for things like this, it will happen to the next person, it will happen to the next person, and from there you start encouraging the character. You cannot have a country where somebody will say, he go kill somebody and you go use 500,000 naira cover them up. Like,
no possible now.
We are talking about human beings' lives, you know. The same picking come somewhere for school, they take your house for rent. You know? I don't think, are you sure the man is mentally stable? Is he mentally okay? Does he take alcohol?
Yes, and he smokes cigarettes.
Well, even at that, he still needs to use his brain, you know. So it's simple, but we've reported to the police. I've called the PRO to this. He will call the DPO. He said since he has reported to the police, then he will take it up from there. So hopefully, he will not kill her and use 500,000 to cover it up. But you also have to be careful, and then they will have to write a lot of undertakings that nothing will happen to you. So it's nothing serious at the end of the day, but it is still serious because it is human beings' life at the end. So thank you very much. I have to take our leave now. Hello. One person, everybody. Hey. One person does it, everybody does it.
Ṣẹ́rí aṣòṣì mámọ̀ olórí burúkú gbà òun lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn. Àwọn kan dẹ̀ tún wà tó ń mọ̀ wọ́n tún máa ṣòṣì. Méjèèjì ló pé sára ìjọba Nàìjíríà. Àwọn olóṣèlú Nàìjíríà bá wèrè. Ẹni tí kò jẹ́ kí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ kan máa fi tọrọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí bàbá. Ẹni tí kò jẹ́ kí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ kan máa fi tọrọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìyá, òun ló pọ̀jù nínú àwọn olóṣèlú Nàìjíríà. Torí ẹnikẹ́ni tí a bá kó ẹ̀tọ́ lé lọ́wọ́, ẹnikẹ́ni tá kó ẹ̀tọ́ ìlú lé lọ́wọ́, ó jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé ojúṣe òun ó ti di dandan fóun láti lè ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe làálẹ̀, bí òfin ṣe làálẹ̀, bí àwọn tí wọ́n ní nǹkan yẹn bọ́n ṣe làálẹ̀. Torí ìwọ kọ́ ló ní, àwọn kan ló ní àbí ẹjọ́ ní ni ń wá fi wọ́ ṣe aṣojú. Ó wá gbọ́dọ̀ dépò tán kó wá máa ṣe ìwọ ló ní, ẹnìkan ò gbọ́dọ̀ yẹ ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wò. Pàápàá jùlọ ohun tó fẹ́ máa ṣe yẹn, ohun tó jẹ́ pé kò tẹ́ àwọn tó kù lọ́rùn, kò táwọn aráàlú lọ́rùn. Yorùbá wọ́n pé téèyàn bá ń kọrin tó rin náà dùn, ṣé bóun náà ń fetí ara ẹ̀ gbọ́. Nígbà téèyàn bá wà nínú ìlú tàdé sọ pé ìjọba wà ń bẹ̀, tírú nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ṣẹlẹ̀, Very Dark Man ló wá ń lọ. Ẹ wá dúró èèyàn tí Very Dark Man ti là, tó ti gbèjà wọn, tó ti gbà wọn lọ́wọ́ ewu, tó ti gbà wọn lọ́wọ́ ìyànjẹ. Ẹ̀yin kan máa sọ pé ìjọba ń ṣojúṣe wọn náà. Mi ò sọ pé ìjọba ò ṣojúṣe wọn. Mi ò sọ pé wọn ò ṣe, but kò wọn ṣe tó. Ìdí ni pé téèyàn ò bá rí ohun téèyàn fẹ́ máa fi wéra wọn, nǹkan lè máa dàrú mọ́yàn lójú. Àwọn ìlú tí wọ́n ń ṣèjọba, tíjọba ń ṣèjọba gangan gẹ́gẹ́ bí ó ṣe jẹ́ kí wọ́n ṣe, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa la lọ síbẹ̀. Ṣáwọn ìjọba fúnra wọn ò kí ń lọ sí lóyìnbó ni? Okay, ṣé wọn ò rí bí ètò àti ìṣèjọba, ṣé wọn ò rí bó ṣe ń ṣe ń bẹ̀ ni? Kí wá ló nira fún ìjọba Nàìjíríà látòrí local government chairman àbí látòrí councillor àdúgbò, odórí local government chairman tó fi dé number 1 tó ń pè ní president? Kí ló nira gangan níbi òṣèlú ṣíṣe láti lè ṣe òtítọ́ ká ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí òfin fáráàlú kí gan ló nira ń bẹ̀. Ṣé constitution yẹn ni òye wọn ni òfin tí wọ́n kọ tá a pè lófin Nigeria constitution ṣóhun ni òye àwọn olóṣèlú ni. Kí gangan ni nǹkan tó miss gangan tó jẹ́ pé látọdún yìí the same orin yìí náà là ń kọ fún wọn. Ìlú la máa wà èèyàn kan máa dín kòkò bígbà tó jẹ́ pé òun ló ṣẹ̀dá àwọn èèyàn yẹn sílé ayé nítorí pé ó lówó àbí torí pé ó mọ̀yàn àbí torí pé ó rò pé òun wà nípò kan. Ṣé tí Very Dark Man ò bá lọ sírú ọ̀dọ̀ lady yìí sìn ta ló mọ irú nǹkan tí landlord yìí máa ṣe fún lady yẹn ọmọ tó wá kàwé tó wà ní yunifásitì landlord yẹn lè má jáde secondary school ṣùgbọ́n torí pé ó gba ọ̀nà kan gẹ́gẹ́ bí everybody wá ṣe ń gbà ní Nàìjíríà fi ṣoríire ó ti lówó àti bílí pé olówó ṣe ohun gbogbo tán ẹni tó bá ti lówó lọ́wọ́ òun á dẹ́mi ẹlẹ́gbọ̀dọ̀ 500,000 péré lòun máa ná òun ò lè ná tán pàápàá ṣé ó yẹ kéèyàn sọ ọ̀rọ̀ báyẹn jáde síta. Ọjọ́ kejì tó ifá kò yẹ kó pé 1 hour tó sọ jáde tí wọ́n ti gbé jáde sórí ayélujára ló yẹ kí àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti débẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tó bá ń pè lóyìnbó ni ohun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ mo sọ fún yẹn ohun tí bàbá yẹn sọ ẹ̀ lálọ́dún yẹn sọ ẹ̀ tẹ́ pé lóyìnbó ni bó ṣe sọ tó bá ti fi lè gbé jáde síta tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá rí táwọn ìjọba rí kò lè lo 1 hour tí wọ́n máa lọ gbé bàbá yẹn kò nídìí kẹ́nìkan ṣe máa lọ kọ application àbí máa lọ kọ petition tó rọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ kò jẹ́ kéèyàn sọ nínú ìlú sí èèyàn. Very Dark Man ló wá lọ tó lọ yanjú ọ̀rọ̀. Ọlọ́run á ṣàánú wa Nàìjíríà o. Ẹ share fídíò yìí ẹ like ẹ follow page ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe gbogbo ohun tó bá tọ́ láti lè tọ́jú ẹ̀mí wa ẹ má jẹ́ káwọn wèrè kan kí wọ́n dẹ̀mí wa lógbòdò. Ilé ayé kan péré la wá ẹni tó ti wálé ayé ó ní ohun tó wá ṣe láyé má jẹ́ kí wèrè kan kó bẹ́ẹ̀ tètè fast forward ẹ̀ kò sí ohun tó fẹ́ kánjú lọ ṣe lọ́rùn Ọlọ́run àdúró tiwa. Once again thank you very much Very Dark Man.